Birendra, prasad, Baishya. Whoever want to associate, please send slips.
Thank you,
Baishya.
Chairman, sir. I am very grateful to allow me to raise the issue. Sir, I am standing here today to request concerned committee to build statue of Bharat Ratna Dr Bhupen in our Parliament House complex through you, sir, and through this August committee, sir. Sir, Dr Bhupen not only a legend singer, he is a great patriot and he also great nationalist of our country, sir. Those people, our Mahan people, contribute highly to the nation. They have their statue photographed in our Parliament House, sir. Bharat Ratna Bhupen also a great Indian, great human being, and great singer, great patriot, great nationalist, sir. Sir, many years, we the people of Assam, we the people of India, requested then government to award Bharat Ratna award to Dr Bhupen, sir. But I am very sorry to say, nobody listen us, nobody listen our voice, sir. Everybody neglected us and everybody neglected our request. But sir, I am grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and his government who awarded Dr Bhupen with a Bharat Ratna award, sir. We are really grateful. It is all the people of Assam, with the entire people of Assam, entire people of India, really grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister. Sir, with your permission, I like to speak few lines in Assamese also. Sir, in the year 1962, when China attacked our country, sir, at that time, sir, our defense was not strong. Our defense was poor, sir. China entered up to Bomdila of Arunachal Pradesh, sir. They killed our people, sir. Then Bhupen through his song, appeal to the nation, appeal to everybody to have a strong army force in India to protect our brothers, sir. Through his song, he requests the nation, through his song, he requests the nation, through his song, he requested everybody to lead. We have, sir, he requests to strong armed force to protect our people from the foreign activities, sir. Sir, he sang, Henu
You have only 2 seconds.
Henu Himalay Bharator Pohori, Tahani Police.
मैं अपना विषय तो डिबो ये कमिटी ऑन इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ पोर्ट्रेट स्टैच्यूज डिबो। धन्यवाद।